Welcome to my closet. Today we're going through all of my clothes, and when I say all my clothes, I mean literally all of my clothes. If you didn't watch part 1, go watch that first. This is part 2. I knew I needed to do 2 parts. I did 2 parts in my closet clean out last year. And this is the dent we've made, only till here. So today we're going to be going through all of this back into that corner. All my clothes are literally thrifted. If you see anything you like that I'm getting rid of, go shop my Depop, and Depop, which is Lindsay Marie 123. And if you love thrifting and fashion content, don't forget to subscribe. Go follow my TikTok for daily outfits and to see how I style these pieces. And yeah, this is kind of like a closet tour as well, so you get to know my style a bit. I'd love you to stick around, but let's just get right back into it. We left it at button downs. This is my Yves Saint Laurent button down that I will never get rid of. It is perfect. I love it so much. And then I just thrifted this boyfriend shirt, 100% linen Gap little top. I actually love this. I love that it's a large. And then under that I have this little cardigan. I actually haven't worn this in a while, but I used to love wearing it with these jeans actually. That was like one of my favorite outfits, was this little cardigan. I don't love the neckline. Like I think it's too big. Like, doesn't it look a little drab? Kind of feels just drab, and I literally have never reached for it since. So why does it feel really drab? Okay, we're getting rid of this. More button downs. This one I just thrifted, this one on top, so I'm gonna keep that. This one, I actually really like this white one because it has like this gathering here, and it actually is like really nice to either tie up or just like more fitted. And then I have this Calvin Klein button down. Maybe I can get rid of this since I have the other one, because I feel like this isn't big enough as like an oversized vibe. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't like it. Okay, good. One thing we're getting rid of. Okay, now we're like into long sleeve blouses. This is one of my favorite tops ever. It is this brand Joseph Ribkoff. They actually have the greatest vintage stuff if you look for that brand at the thrift store, but the sleeves are like a butterfly sleeve and it has this like furry off the shoulder vibe. I love this. Never getting rid of that. I have a hard time because I think these are so cute, but I don't wear this. Like, I genuinely don't think I've ever reached for this top, but it's actually really nice. It's like this little animal print blouse. I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't like how short the sleeves are, so that's a sell. Then I have this animal print one, which is actually kind of fun and could be great for layering. Question mark. Ooh, I don't love how that looks. Like, isn't that kind of ugly? It looks very drab. I don't like the sleeves of this, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Next, okay, these are actually 2 tops I love. This little blouse, white one I've worn with so many things. Use it for a photo shoot. I love it so much. And then this is probably one of my greatest thrift finds just because how pretty it is. It's like this Venus top. I seriously need to figure out how to style it more because it's actually so stunning. I really should play with styling this because it's actually so stunning, but I'm keeping that because I cannot get rid of it. Okay, next are these 2 shimmery button downs. I've actually worn this so much and I love wearing this one over a mini skirt. So cute. And then this one is like my lucky interview shirt. I've worn this to so many interviews in the past. Some I haven't gotten, some I did get. Some jobs I didn't get, but some I did get. So I'm gonna keep this because I love it and I've never seen a shirt like this at the thrift store again, so I need that. This is just a little turtleneck. I don't know how I like this. I feel like I've never worn this. Like, isn't that actually so bad? This is by the Gap that I never have worn half of these items. Not half of them, I'd say I've worn, I don't know, it just proves that with thrifting you can accumulate so much that you don't actually like. I'm gonna get rid of it even though it's the Gap and it's nice quality. This I actually really like and it's really soft. It's merino wool. It's by Banana Republic. It's like a really fitted sweater, but I don't own a lot of these and I feel like when I want to dress a little more casual in this winter time, this is a great layering piece as well. So I'm gonna keep this. Okay, and more great basics. This is just a white long sleeve, and I have recently been like okay with long sleeves. I used to hate wearing long sleeves just because I thought I would sweat through them, but I've actually really been enjoying basic long sleeves, so I'm gonna keep that. These 2 I've had forever. They're from Garage. They're little mock necks. I'm just gonna keep them because they're a great layering piece. This is a little blouse, very ruffly. Sometimes like a ruffle is too much and I just don't love this. It's very ruffly. Okay, that's kind of cute. I actually really like this. It has like ruffles and it buttons all the way to the top. So that's a great layering piece actually. So I'm gonna keep that. And then this little lace long sleeve I got on ThredUp a while ago. And I'm gonna keep it because it's actually a great layering piece. Okay, now we're gonna get to pieces. Again, I've literally never worn. This is like one of those pieces that somebody said it looked good at the thrift store and I was like, okay, I need it, but I genuinely don't need it. I don't think I'm gonna want to keep this. Like, why? Seriously, this is so far. I'm sure I could style it, but why is it so large on me? And why do I have it? Okay, we're getting rid of that 100%, not keeping. Okay, this, I actually recently thrifted this little Le Chateau jacket. I did a TikTok about this. It is actually adorable. It's like this okay, we're gonna keep it. It actually, I can like move around, which is great. It's this 3/4 length little jacket with this little Peter Pan collar. And I would wear it like as a top without this top underneath. And I just got it, so I'm gonna keep that. This is literally my favorite top right now. I just think it's so fun and it's vintage and it's so Gani, Eliza Faulkner, obsessed with her. Okay, this I got in Italy. It's a great beach cover up. I'm gonna keep that. Like why did I think this made sense? Like look how, I can't even tell what's on this card. This is stupid. And then this is a little bolero and then a black cardigan. I'm gonna keep both of these because I love this bolero and then I don't have another black cardigan that I love yet and I need one in case of anything. I love that this is dry clean only and I keep washing it in the washing machine. It's fine, it's just a little wrinkly. I love this. This is like my favorite little vest top. I love these, wearing them as tops, so I'm definitely keeping that. Okay, another hanger with 10 million items on it. This little wool zip up jacket, I did a TikTok styling that, I love that. This little Tory Burch sweater, I just thrifted this. She is cute. She is a little worn, but I actually really vibe with it. It has like the little buttons, the Tory Burch buttons, and I kind of love that. And I like it to wear it backwards. I think that's so fun. Okay, and then this cardigan I also just thrifted. Gray cardigan, need one. And this top I think I did a thrift haul with this in it. A 3/4 length little sweater. I think it's a great piece, so I'm gonna keep that. I need to start getting rid of sweaters. I have this fur collar sweater that I've literally had since 2020. I just think it's so cute and I love the brown. I know this like trend is gone, but I thrifted this, so it's like not even a trend and it's removable, so I'm gonna keep it. But this one, I've always had a hard time with. I think I wore this in my closet clean out video last year, trying to convince myself that I needed it. Really soft, and I love the little pockets. The only thing is it's super low and like I can't wear a top under it because that just looks strange. But also I don't want to get rid of it because it's so teddy bear cozy. I need to keep it. I'm sorry to say. I love this sweater. I'm keeping it. This one I can get rid of. I thought I would wear this. I'm never gonna wear it. Getting rid of this little cardigan. I actually love that the buttons are red as well, so I'm keeping that. This, I love this sweater so much. Keeping that. Okay, this little jacket. I'm gonna try this on for you guys. I thought I would love this. It's so soft on the inside, and it actually is really nice. Actually, it's really cute. I thought it was too cropped, but when I wear it with like low-rise jeans right now, it actually looks really cute. It's too puffy, and I can't envision many outfits with it. I'm never gonna wear it. I'm getting rid of it. Just so sad because I actually really like it, but I never am gonna wear it. Okay, and then I have this little mesh top that I don't even know how to describe the material. It's very rough and it's kind of like this off-white, and I've had this forever. No, I don't need it anymore. It's just a weird material. Okay, you guys know this cardigan I cannot get rid of. Keeping her. This was the one I wore in that video. What is it by? It's by Reitman's. It fits, it feels so cozy, and like I know it looks so grandma and it's like a bit big on me, but it just feels so cozy and I love the color. I need to wear it more, and like if I don't style it in the next year I will get rid of it, but I actually really think it looks so cozy. I have these jackets. I'm gonna keep this one. This one I got because I was like, it's a great running jacket, but I haven't ran. I don't like running when it's super cold out. Maybe I'll just put this downstairs because it's a great like little, not a fashion item, but like for running. I was like, okay, it's Old Navy Active. Could it work? But I'm gonna put that in the maybe pile. Okay, and then this is all my belts, which I need a better system, but that's my belts. Oh, and then this little blouse. I love this one. This is like my pirate blouse. Keeping her for sure. This is a cropped trench coat. Not super cropped. But I thought this would be so great because it's like shorter, but it's just such an awkward length. I don't want it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This is like my favorite off the shoulder long sleeve top. Gonna keep her. This is literally a Miu Miu sweater that I got in Italy. It is so soft, but I'm never gonna wear it as a sweater. I wear it like as a bolero, but I'm gonna keep it. We have some jacket tops. This jean one, I haven't worn these because it's just been not, I think I thrifted these like in the summer. I just don't know what I'd wear it with. And is it too flimsy on my arms? Like, it's cute. I just don't see myself reaching for it. Yeah, I don't like how big it looks on my arms. I'm gonna get rid of that and sell it. Okay, and then this one I really hope. It's actually really nice. It's like this white blazer, but it has this tie front, which is actually so fun. But then again, I don't like how it looks over it. Actually, it kind of looks cute over a top, and it doesn't really have like a collar. It kind of just, I kind of want to try and style this because I think it's a really fun, unique piece, and like if I figured out what would look good underneath it, and it fits really well like where I would want it. So I'm gonna keep this. I just haven't had the chance to style it. This is like my favorite cardigan ever. It is so cozy, it's so grandma. I love this. Had it forever. Okay, my blazers. Perfect oversized blazer. This is my perfect fitted blazer. Keeping those. Suede blazer. This is my cropped little jean blazer. Tan and black blazers that I can't get rid of because in case you need a blazer. Okay, that concludes blazers and my sweaters. I still have my sweaters up there, but I know I like those sweaters. Oh my gosh, now pants is a pain point for me because I buy too many pants that I think are gonna fit. Like, you should have seen my closet 2 years ago before I actually got rid of pants that didn't fit me. I think we're just gonna rapid fire because I know what I don't want. These are my perfect low-rise black trouser at the moment, so I'm keeping those. These are my flare capris. I have yet to replace them, so I'm gonna keep them for now. These, I love this skirt so much. I'm keeping her. These pinstripe pants I think fit me. I'm gonna keep them because I think they actually work. I almost got rid of these and I was like, no, I don't have a linen pant. I'm never gonna wear these. I need to just sell them. They're just like a little too tight for my liking, and I don't like, I think they're so fun and so Y2K. They're vintage dynamite, like so fun. I'll put them in the maybe pile because I don't know how I feel. These pants are vintage dynamite and they're the perfect low-rise, super wide leg trouser, and I love them. I just popped the button off and I need to sew that back on, so I'm gonna keep them. This, I actually really love this polka dot skirt. I thought I didn't like it, but it fits me perfectly low-waisted. It's actually really cute with like a little kitten heel, so I'm gonna keep this. I allowed myself to keep these trousers because they're a good low-rise trouser, so I'm keeping those. This was a fake leather skirt. It's literally looks so cheap. I don't even know why I kept that. Okay, these are my tight capris. Keeping those. Other capris that I actually really liked. I need to style these, but I love these. These pants that I don't know how they fit, so putting these in the maybe pile. Trousers I've tried to make work so many times. They're Banana Republic. They're polyester. I'm gonna get rid of them. I thought they were silk. Getting rid of them. Okay, these pants I need to fix. These I got in Italy. They're a low-rise pinstripe pant that are just so flattering on. They're just like the perfect pant. So I need to sew these because they literally ripped in the crotch. So that's really great. These were my other low-rise or pant from Dynamite. Super wide leg. I love these. I thrifted them at the same time, so they're from the same person. These are my like hiking-esque pant. These are like my version of the parachute pant. They fit me low-waisted, and they're actually a good like outdoor pant. They have a drawstring at the bottom, and they're like a utilitarian pant, so I'm gonna keep them because I don't have anything like this. And they're by MAC, I think. Okay, and then these were my airplane pant. I literally panicked before I went to Italy that I was like, oh my god, I don't have a good travel pant. These are little silk pants from Zara. Literally the only thing I bought in Zara in the last 5 years. Like, that's not a joke. Of course, they're pilling and they were $50, but they're the perfect travel pant. They're super soft and they have pockets. And I just like them, so I'm gonna keep them. Okay, and then these are my leather pants that I've gone through so many leather pants. These ones I think actually fit. I need to try these on though, but like, then again, I'm like, oh, I need a leather pant. I've never worn these. We're actually so close to being done. I have these corduroy pants that I actually need to try on. These ones, I just thrifted these. I need to try those on. These are my favorite shorts. I love these so much. They're like the perfect baggy short. Keeping. I still have a giant bin of skirts up in my closet that I need to go through, but this is my favorite plaid maxi skirt. Keeping that one. I don't think this is gonna fit well. I thought it would work with 2 bodycon and I don't love it. Then I have this little like asymmetrical ballerina-esque skirt. I need to try this on. I was like, oh, I need to keep one kilt. This fits me high-waisted though. It just isn't the vibe. I love the pink though, but I don't like high-waisted. But then again, I'm like, it's just so pretty. I need to try it on though. Long skirt. I got this on Vinted in Italy. Keeping her. This is my like tier of 4 skirts. I need to fix it, but I love all these skirts, so I'm keeping this. You should see the mountain that I think you can start to see the top of my mountain over here. This denim maxi skirt I'm gonna keep until I find a better one. And then this crochet long skirt. The only thing with this is it's really heavy and it's really long. I don't know, I need to try it on. Okay, and then this is my maxi black linen skirt. I need to keep that. This is my perfect black basic slitted skirt. These pants, I thrifted these and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna be one of those girlies who wear these pants. I don't think I'm that girly, so I'm gonna try those on, probably get rid of. These I thrifted it, not thrifted, I got these in Italy. They're like linen pants. They're actually so nice. Gonna keep those. And then these are also linen pants I thrifted in Italy. I need to try these on though. And then, okay, we're getting to the last bits. This is my very stunning utilitarian vibe skirt. It's like swishy material, but it has a slit in the front. I love this. It has like belt loops. It's just so cute, and it's the perfect like basic, elevated basic, so I'm keeping that. These are my pink pants. You guys know I love my pink pants. I'm gonna keep those. These leather shorts are from like Dynamite from like 10 years ago, I want to say 7-8 years ago. I'm like, are they a good basic to keep? Because they're just like a leather short. I think I'm gonna keep them. I've worn them a few times in the past few years. Okay, more pants. Okay, I need to try these on. These used to be my perfect trouser. I think they're too high-waisted. These used to be my perfect gray Matilda Drift-esque trouser, but I think they're too high-waisted. I'm gonna try those on. And then you guys, I kept my pair of black, oh my god, my mountain fell. Oh my god. Kept my pair of black skinny jeans from when I was 15, 16, I think. Maybe 17, 18. But these are American Eagle with slits in the knees. I need to style these. They still fit me. I'm just very glad I kept these. So I should be proud of this dress. I pattern drafted this dress. I sewed this dress, and this was my dress from my first year of fashion school, and it has like the Ryerson tag on it, which is just so funny. Like, why does it look like this? It looks like a 50s dress. I wish I made one that I actually would have worn, but I literally did so much. I did like a little flared sleeve. This scalloped little collar killed me, but that's so funny. I have to keep that. Do you see the pain I went through? This is all marked up. We had to make it in muslin first. That literally brings me trauma. Arrows in, oh my god, no. Okay, and then I have this really wild dress that I thrifted that I've used for 2 photo shoots, so I have to keep it. And then I have this white, maybe I can get rid of this white thing. This is like a white beach vibe. Maybe I should keep it. I use this for a photo shoot as well, but honestly it's kind of a vibe, so I think I'm gonna keep those 2. This is my room. But that is my closet clean out. I actually got rid of a bunch of stuff. That's my closet clean out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I actually got rid of a bunch of stuff, and I'm actually really happy with everything I'm getting rid of, and that I actually am getting rid of things. So stay tuned for how I style some of these items you saw. Follow my TikTok, don't forget to subscribe, and go shop my Depop because a bunch of this stuff will be on my Depop. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.